The WINGYZ Kids Drum Set offers a comprehensive musical experience with 10 different instruments, including drums, cymbals, and a xylophone, making it a delightful introduction to music for young children. Crafted from natural wood with child-safe paint, this drum set ensures safety and durability, providing parents peace of mind while their little ones explore musical rhythms. The sound quality of the instruments is carefully tuned to produce warm and pleasant tones, encouraging children to enjoy music without the risk of harsh noises. This drum set is an ideal gift for developing young musicians' auditory skills, motor coordination, and creativity, making it perfect for birthdays, holidays, or everyday surprises. Designed for easy assembly, parents can set up the drum set in just 3 minutes, allowing for immediate musical fun and seamless playtime. With a focus on customer satisfaction, the WINGYZ brand offers responsive support to ensure a joyful and worry-free experience for both children and parents.